Hi, I'm Mike with Velvet Green Organic Lawn Care. Cultivating a vibrant green lawn requires more than just regular watering, mowing, and fertilizing. One often overlooked yet highly effective method to promote lawn health is annual core aeration. Core aeration is a physical process during which the soil is perforated using small hollow tubes to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the root zone, where the grass can better utilize those resources. This simple process offers numerous benefits, including improved root growth, better water and nutrient absorption, which in turn yields enhanced tolerance to pests, diseases, and harsh weather. So let's explore some of those key benefits. Soil compaction is one of the most common underlying problems faced by homeowners who wish to maintain a healthy lawn. When soil becomes compacted, it restricts the movement of air, water, and nutrients, making it more difficult for grass roots to grow and thrive. Soil compaction typically occurs when the weight of traffic or equipment presses the soil particles together, reducing the space between them. This leads to poor root development and can result in a weak, patchy lawn that struggles to absorb water and nutrients. Annual aeration helps alleviate soil compaction by creating small holes in the soil. These holes reduce soil density, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach the grass roots more easily, which then leads to deeper root growth. As the roots grow deeper, the lawn becomes healthier, increasing resistance to stressors such as drought, heat, and cold. One of the most immediate benefits of aeration is the improvement in water and nutrient absorption. Over time, thatch can build up on the soil surface. Thatch is a layer of dead grass, roots, and debris, which further restrict the penetration of water and nutrients into the soil. By creating openings in the soil, aeration allows water and fertilizers to reach deeper into the root zone where they are most needed. In addition, aeration reduces runoff during watering or rain. Without aeration, water will often run off of the surface rather than soaking into the soil. This means that even though you may be watering your lawn regularly, a significant amount of that water may not actually be reaching the roots of the plants. Aeration ensures that your irrigation reaches deeper into the soil, providing better hydration to the grass and reducing the risk of water waste. Annual aeration will also maximize the effectiveness of fertilizer. Fertilizers work best when they're absorbed by the soil, becoming available for the grass plants to take in. Aeration allows the fertilizer to penetrate deeper, ensuring that your lawn gets the maximum benefit from the nutrients being applied. As a result, aerated lawns tend to grow more robustly and appear greener and thicker. Healthy deep roots are essential for a thriving lawn. Aeration encourages deep root growth by loosening compacted soil and providing the space and conditions for the roots to spread out and down. The deeper the roots grow, the more resilient the lawn becomes to drought, foot traffic, and other stress factors. With deeper roots, the grass can access a larger volume of water and nutrients, leading to a healthier, more robust lawn. In addition, a lawn with deep, strong roots is better able to resist pests and diseases. Shallow roots cause higher susceptibility to damage from environmental stresses. By encouraging deeper root systems, aeration helps your lawn develop a stronger foundation that can withstand these challenges. As I mentioned earlier, another important benefit of annual aeration is the reduction of thatch in your soil profile. Thatch is a layer of dead grass, roots, and other organic matter that accumulates on the surface of the soil. While a thin layer of thatch is normal and healthy, excessive thatch can create a barrier between the grass and the soil, preventing water, air, and nutrients from reaching the root zone. Aeration helps break down the thatch by physically puncturing it, allowing it to decompose. Core aeration is unique in that the process pulls cores, which are small cylindrical plugs of soil, thatch, and roots, out of the turf, which are then left on the surface to break down and better reduce soil density. This all reduces harmful thatch buildup, which would otherwise lead to poor grass health and increased susceptibility to pests and diseases. Annual aeration offers a wide range of benefits for residential lawns. By alleviating soil compaction, improving water and nutrient absorption, encouraging root growth, and reducing thatch buildup, aeration plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy, vibrant lawn. The long-term benefits of aeration ensure that your lawn remains beautiful and thriving throughout the year and beyond. For more information about our aeration seeding and compost top dressing services, click the link in the description below. Kid, Pet, and Earth-Friendly Lawns by Velvet Green Organic Lawn Care.